There is a coming project that I want to cover today. It's launching very soon, and what they're doing makes perfect sense. The graphics, they're pretty simple, but the use case is very real. Now, how will this project do? My guess is extremely well. So strap in as we talk about this upcoming rocket ship of a project, and then we will update you on our crypto giveaways. So if you like money and crypto and are looking for a real investor's take on crypto, join the Rainmaker family by liking the videos and subscribing with that all notifications bell enabled. Okay, so can we agree that the NFT craze has been really crazy? Can we also agree that it will probably even get crazier? Think about it, as Bitcoin surpasses 100,000 and all those friends that you tried to talk to about crypto dismiss what you had to say. But now they will be calling you daily to pick your brain about crypto. It is coming. Trust me on this. Now, the best way to answer them perhaps is to send them a relevant video or two from the Crypto Rain channel and let them hook up to the fire hose directly, because they can exhaust you with their questions when they're new. Now, as these things happen, the entire crypto space goes parabolic. And the already crazy NFT space, my guess is it goes even more crazy. But what is a massive problem with the NFT space? NFTs are getting siloed on different blockchains. The most expensive and extensive NFT ecosystem right now is on Ethereum. But Solana and Cardano have growing NFT ecosystems, and think about how the problem will get worse with the silos over time as Avalanche, OneChain, and other blockchains continue to expand and grow. Well, through my connections at GameStarter, I was given information about one of their upcoming launches that I think has serious potential, because there is a serious need for it, and that project is called Scotty Beam. Now, let's take a look at their website and see what we can glean about it. Give me just 1 second as I bring it up. Here we go. Scotty Beam. Now, pretty basic graphics, right? But kind of fun. And they have just a really easy illustration here. Essentially, you've got a CryptoPunk here. This is on the Ethereum chain. You got Binance Smart Chain here, and wow, with the click of a button, transporting it over to Binance Smart Chain. So yeah, there's a deeper technical way that they go about this so that it can overall reduce your problems. And there have been some solutions for this for a while, and if they actually just nest it within different loops, which at some point, somebody who has to then unwrap all those ends up paying some really high gas fees. So they have a different solution that's simple, makes a lot of sense, and can take it eventually across all the different chains. So let me share with you, want to read with you some things about them here. Beam NFT tokens across Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Solana, Dot, Flow, and others. So it kind of tells you where their focus is right now. Also, you can create NFTs on any chain in just one click. That's needed too. I mean, that ability is there for many chains, but not one platform to launch them on any of the chains. You can also verify token origin and price, and view trading history, prove the ownership, etc. You can exchange NFT tokens with friends and community, as well as partnerships with NFT services that enable cross-chain possibilities. Now, do notice right here on their partners, one of their partners is Federa, and we'll talk about them in a little bit. I also want to show you their Twitter. Now, to find them on Twitter, you're looking for @ScottyBeamIO. In Twitter, you can often do some deep dives on something that you're interested in, or deeper dives pretty quickly. Now, there is an airdrop giveaway that goes through this month. If you're interested, you want to go to their Twitter and then just follow it there. They're giving away 250,000 in Beam, their token, as well as 10 NFT packs in prizes. They have their strategic partnerships there. Do note that they're coming to us about a week's time, and they'll be launching on Seedify, Engine Starter, Equinox, and GameStation. So some really good launch pads. GameStation we're very familiar with. Engine Station we're very familiar with. Equinox and Seedify, I do see a lot of great launches come across Seedify. I don't know Equinox. Now, their token will be used for transporting the NFTs, and there will also be a burn mechanism that will be employed to decrease the circulating supply over time. Now, I do want to thank those that have responded in my previous videos telling me why you're here in crypto. As you can see, we are making improvements to this channel. I mean, you probably caught our earlier video where D-Money and I meeting at the command center, and we're doing some videos together, and we will continue that several times a week, maybe even every day. We'll see how that goes. We're creating a Patreon link as well to our Discord server. So for those that are interested in more direct interactions with us, we will have some options there. Now, I still can't and won't give you financial advice there. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a crypto investor myself. But it will allow us some options to communicate more frequently, as well as create an even better ecosystem where scammers and bots can't so easily join us or so easily pitch their scams to us. Like, we do have a great Telegram group right now, and we kick these bots or scammers that join all the time. And right now, the Telegram group is wide open, and there's some challenges with that because just anybody can join. So on the Discord, it will be gated, and so we won't have that problem for the most part. So let's talk about our giveaways that we have. We have one in the Telegram channel right now that our excellent admin Bugsy is overseeing, and this is our giveaway for some Shaquille O'Neal Eternity Chain NFTs. So jump in there and get the latest on that giveaway. We're also giving away 4 Pocket Arena castles, which you can use to get experience points yourself, or you can sponsor another player and let them build the experience points for your castle and essentially build the value of your castle for you. Now, this giveaway ends in just 2 days, and so I'll put the Gleam link below if you're interested. Now, for the bigger giveaways, we're calling those the 401Js. Now, these are some initial DEX offering allocation that we went ahead and fronted the money for and secured for you. And we'll be giving these away, specifically in 2 projects, Cortex and Federa. Now, Federa has a lot of connections behind the scenes to a lot of the NFT and gaming projects. We saw they have a partnership with Scotty Beam. They also have some other partnerships, which I don't know if they're announced yet, with some other big names in the NFT community. And essentially with Federa, as people can go get gift cards in retail shops all around the world, or will be able to coming soon. And when they cash in those Federa gift cards, they will get a free NFT with it. And so this use case is going to be big when it happens. Federa, we're going to have them on our channel very soon for an interview, so you get a chance to meet them and fill them out. But the 401Js we will be giving away as we get to 25,000 total subscribers, and we'll have given all of them away by the time we hit 30,000 subscribers. So those should be fun. Now, I know some of you in the comments said that, like, wow, they can't believe the channel isn't bigger. Probably the biggest reason this channel isn't bigger is that it's newer, and I'm still learning how the YouTube algorithm works. I do know that if you watch each of our videos as it hits your inbox, like right away, that tells YouTube to share it out more and creates more engagement, as well as every time you like it, it helps our YouTube grow, and the more you share it out, the more it helps us as well. Now, you don't have to help us grow the channel. That's not necessarily your job, but if you do help us grow it, I will make you a deal. My goal is for the channel to make enough to cover the expenses of the channel, and that includes hiring some great people like D-Money and other people, and beyond that, I make my own money through investments as a crypto investor myself. So as this channel gets huge, the giveaways and the fun things that we can do will get huge. And I know many of you think like investors like me too, and you don't depend on giveaways for your future. And that's very smart. But would you agree that they can make it more interesting and perhaps even speed up your goals if you win some good giveaways or some 401Js? So we will be having, through our coming Patreon, there will be some options where you can get better details on my own trades, but it isn't quite finished, the setup yet. And yes, so yesterday I did post on Telegram the channel some recent trades I made, which if you haven't joined the Rainmaker Telegram group, the link is below. I did make some trades into some of the Solana ecosystem projects I like that have hit their lower price supports, and I'm very happy with those buying prices. So I picked up some Intersola, some Solminter, and some Solyard finance tokens. Now, overall, I've made higher returns in crypto because I get greedy when other people get scared. And when other people get greedy, that's when I get scared. I prefer to it, though, to refer to it in a different way. That I buy when it's boring. And essentially, I sell it when BitBoy is telling people it's a great time to invest. And I know I'm picking on BitBoy here, but there are a lot of YouTube channels that don't think like investors. They've had a channel for a long time, and so they talk about things when everyone is talking about things. Now, when every YouTube channel is talking about something, do you think that's a good time to buy or a good time to be selling it? So, though I summarize it and I say when BitBoy is telling people it's a great time to invest, that's when I sell. It is more generalized than that, not specific to BitBoy, but when other YouTubers, you're seeing it a lot, that's when I'm taking profits out, because you'll notice that's when the hype cycle is fully hitting, and that's a great time to be exiting, not a great time to be buying. So stick with us. Some of you already think like investors, and that's why you love this channel, and many of you are learning to think like investors. So stick with us, make a 5-year commitment to your own future. That is for this bull run. The bear market that follows, stay here, stay right here. That is the best financial decision you can make for your future. And then take that long, amazing ride up with us the following bull market. And you'll be amazed at what can happen over the next 5 years for you. Now, the next coming months should be amazing, and if you make some smart decisions, that'll kickstart these goals that I know that you have. Now, if you're ready to level up your crypto game, if you're here for the life-changing money, I know, like my good friend, longtime friend, wife-changing money for him, and I know some of you because you've told me in the comments. Or you're here for a really nice car. I find this cycle, it's a lot less about the cars than it was last cycle. Well, we are creating the most informed audience in crypto, so join us. And if you haven't subscribed, you might consider subscribing, as these principles I share are proven because they help you resist FOMO. They help you resist the urges to panic sell at the bottom. And this system is what helped me go from thousands to millions in just 3 years. So these principles will work for you as well. So stay tuned with that bell notification. Strap in, because it's going to be bumpy. And it's going to feel like a rocket ship at times, and I can't wait. This wrap is for you, all my Rainmaker family.
Came into the space chasing all of the gains, chasing the pumps and all of the hype trains. But like in life, you buy before you're good. Was taught to buy when it was boring, like a rainmaker should. I buy when it's down, don't chase the boats that I miss. Cause I'll always make the time in mind. I sit the one out cause I'm patient like that, and I'll wait for the right time. I sell when it's high, I buy when it's low. They call me rich, they call me smart. I'm just a rainmaker running the show. Calculated investments, I don't lead with my heart. The principles are simple, they're leaving a mark. Why when it's boring, just gotta be smart. I sell when it's hype, like all the channels they pump it. That's when I was selling, go parabolic and dump it. They call me rich, they call me smart. I'm a rainmaker, making my own start. I'm with the future, learning the past. Makes the time fly by, years going so fast. The game plan is mine, I'll own it now. When I reach the top, haters asking me how. Cause I'm a rainmaker, investments I love. And I follow what I learn, not relying on luck. Time is never better, but time like the present. This next 5 years is a gift and a feeling like heaven. I'm committed to learn, to study and to know that nothing comes easy but with knowledge to gain show. Sticking at this wrong cause soon will come a bear market. Learning and growing, and when it's slow will be the target. Naysayers come out, Bitcoin is dead. The massive decreases can get to your head. I'm sticking around, the time is better. I'm strong like that, I'll let the others be fretters. In 2 years time the bull will bring back the gains. That makes it worth the effort cause here comes the rain. So let's go rainmakers, let's make it all happen. Let go with the hate, let the haters be crapping. I'm here for 5 years, let's do this together. The time is right, the time could be better. They call me rich, they call me smart. I'm a rainmaker, making my own start. I'm with the future, learning the past. Makes the time fly by, years going so fast. The game plan is mine, I'll own it now. When I reach the top, haters asking me how. Cause I'm a rainmaker, investments I love. And I follow what I learn, not relying on luck. Haters be hating, but time to slow down. Addressing what they say when I'm wearing my crown. They're chasing green candles like someone who was new. I got a vision that was bigger, helping me to push through. I'm still human and sometimes it is rough. And that's what makes me special, simply I stay tough. Cause I'm a rainmaker, investments I love. And I follow what I learn, not relying on luck.